In our previous video, we created our product lists. Now, let's quickly turn a list into a catalog. First, open the list you created. On the left side, click the Create Catalog icon. Enter your catalog name. Let's call it New Collection 2026. For the description, you can write it manually or generate it with AI. I'll choose AI. The description is ready. Now click Create Catalog. In seconds, your product list becomes a shareable link. You can copy this link and share it anywhere you like. If we click Visit Catalog, we can view the final result. This is your product list transformed into a clean, organized catalog. If you prefer private sharing, you can enter specific email addresses so only selected people can view it. After it's created, you can also find it under the My Catalog section and view all catalog details anytime. Simple, fast, shareable.